welcome to my vlog. Today we're going to... Where are we going, Bigot? Driving to Sabalu Market. We're going to Sabalu Market because it's Saturday. Sabalu means Saturday.
No, I want to play gun.
Yes, this road is going to down there. The right side, that is Mariana's house. This road is Pinasiso Highway. Barangay? Nama sila barangay tawag diri? So may tawag nila. Pinasiso lang niya barangay. Ay, CK. Oh, Pinasiso Village. CK Village. Village ba tawag nila? Village. Hindi uso sila ang barangay. Dandan Village. Village daw ang term. Hindi barangay. My hometown in Shokon, they have plenty crossings, crossroads, like crossroads and crossroads, plenty crossroads. When you see this, like this one, see there's a stop sign. You need to stop. You can see there's a police following. Stop. Ticket if you don't follow the road signs. This is cemetery on the left side. That's Saipan Cemetery. Suzuki Village. So now Sabalu Market is located in they relocated in Suzuki Village. It was in Fishing Bays before. It was here before, and then they transferred it to Fishing Bays, and now it's back again here in Nauru Building. That one is a Nauru Building. Nauru Building, it's like a commercial building. It has pool, and above, on top of that building, is like a revolving 360 restaurant. Wala mabidyohan. Sabalu Market. Ay, kainit man. Wala naman si Kuan na maligya diri. T-shirt.
Don't touch your food. If you will not buy the food, do not touch it. Suki man din na naman. Kapag ganyan sa shell kanto. Gira po.
It's like all the stores here.
Bikot, come here. Kuya dong, ayak ka. Put ba? Dollar. 18 kabong. Pulo. Eh, $10. Api lambag, $10. No. Kani, ito, and the bag. $10. Ha? Napatay, manguli na ta. Ang giinan bitong ganiya, bitong gamit. Kinsa man? Siya. You wait for your barbecue. Namoy, ano gito? Wala sa ganun. Ikot, stay here. Nagbabay ang baby.
Juice with gulay.
Mate. Speak. Don't touch it. Get your turn. Uy. Maganda yung paglagyan mo kasi ano. Safe? Safe ba? Safe. Nasunog na. $1.25. Hindi pa ako natuklian. Ha? 10. Sa akin yung 10. Nagbigay ako 10.
Ay, ate, palimilis ako dito kay ate. Ay, wala pa naman ako dito. Alam ko, binigay ko po yung ano, ate lang po yung second na nabigay kay ate. Opo, sorry.
Nauna mo na akong nagbayad.
Ano ba, binigay niya sa akin yung sabi niya dito. Nauna ko sorry po. Kunin ko po yung 7 po. Ano? Alam ko sa inyo.
Kuya, come here. Nalito na, nalito. Kuya, mag-dirty po. This is everything for $10. Including the bag. The bag is only $1. Oh, very nice. Look. Oh. And the baby is also $1. It's a score. Only $1. Very thick. Big. Washable. Washable. 50 cents sa kukuha. Nirvana. Diba? 50 cents.
Nakakuha ko Nirvana?
Oh. Padalag Pinas. Padalag Pinas. Padalag Pinas. Bala na. Dara ay mong kuno. Kuya ka ipakita ba na? How do you wear this? With tibak, with panty and with tibak. Tibak. Nagdikit man yung ano man yung nagdikit. See-through pants. Yata. Ay, mouse. Mickey Mouse din na. Yata, kang Mickey Mouse ka. So, it's 50 cents a piece. 50 cents. Mahal na sa Pinas. Kaya ko 50 cents ang $1 is 25 pesos.
May tie-dye.
25 pesos din. Mahal rin gihapon.
Tie-dye with good.
Mahal. Okay. 25 pesos. Mahal, oy. Oh. 25 pesos. Diba? $25. Ay, $25. 25 cents. The dog is mad. The dog is in the bathroom. Okay. Oh, the model. Please subscribe to her channel, Triple Jewels. Wala. Ayun eh. And fun. O, diba? I have $1. Palipad, $1. Palipad. Palipad, $1.
It's a score because it's a hoodie.
Palipad daw, $1. Mahal pang dulaan. Bye, guys. Nope.